Working with classic PC gaming and ran into MVE video files from old Interplay games, these files contain memorable cutscenes from gaming history. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to play Interplay video files from beloved retro games. I want to share my favorite troubleshooting shortcut. Use a dedicated MVE file viewer to check the file's integrity. I'll point you toward the most powerful option below. An MVE file is a proprietary video format used for in-game cinematics and cutscenes in classic computer games developed by Interplay, particularly those using the Infinity engine, e.g. the Fallout, Baldur's Gate. Users typically encounter these files when exploring game assets or attempting to play them outside the game. The MVE format was designed as a compressed video or audio stream, optimized for the limited processing power and storage of 1990s PCs. It uses a custom codec with block-based compression to deliver full-motion video from a CD-ROM without overwhelming the CPU, prioritizing playback performance within the game engine. System file recognition for MVE is optimized for Interplay MVE Player by Interplay Entertainment. Windows native tools lack the decompression modules necessary for this file. Windows shows only limited details, so accessing these files depends on the engine or compatible modding utilities. The problem is often a missing file association. Right-click the MVE file and choose Open With. Start with Interplay MVE Player if available. If not, select another application from the list. If the MVE file still will not open, there is no need to stress. Since the standard approach didn't work, it's time to get surgical. Let's quickly go through these 3 core troubleshooting procedures. First, playing in VLC. Try opening MVE files directly in VLC Media Player from videoland.org, which supports many obscure video formats through built-in codecs. Some MVE variants play directly, while others require additional codec packages. VLC's flexibility makes it the first choice for unidentified video formats from various sources, including legacy games. Next, using specialized players. Download dedicated MVE player tools from retro gaming communities and ROM hacking sites. Tools like MVE Player or game-specific extractors handle Interplay's video format authentically. These tools often include conversion features producing standard formats like AVI or MP4 for playback in modern video applications and content sharing on video platforms. Finally, converting to modern formats. Convert MVE files to modern video formats using FFmpeg with appropriate codec configuration or specialized Interplay video conversion tools. The converted MP4 files play universally across devices and platforms, preserving classic game cutscenes for archival viewing, video editing, or content creation about gaming history featuring authentic cinematic content from the original releases. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. To help resolve this, you might consider a tool with autonomous file reading capability that is designed to look past the extension name and inspect the internal data structure directly. Since we tried everything on the format, it's time for the professional fix. FileMagick is your best bet for files that are unreadable by Windows or standard open source programs. You can find it at filemagick.com. If you have any further questions about this file type, drop them below. Don't forget to subscribe before you go.